Hi, I'm Sandra from Ingredients Matter here. Just please, if you like these videos, subscribe below. I will be posting these every day. And today we are going to do a chair meditation and breathing exercise to help with healing with chronic illness. And we're going to use some oils, if you have any essential oils to use to help ground you. If you don't have essential oils or you're not familiar on how to use them, you can email me at ingredientsmatterhere.com and I can sit with you or chat with you on how to use them for healing. And so right now I'm just going to take a few oils to help deepen the meditation exercise. I'm going to grab them. And so right now I'm going to be using patchouli. And patchouli I'm going to be using on the top of my head. Just a few drops. And I'm going to use lavender over my heart and on my wrists. And I'm going to use a little bit of cedar wood on my wrists as well for grounding. Okay. And if you don't know your body type, I have a short quiz that you can use. Just email me and I will send you that short quiz. And so learning about your body type will help you to know which foods are really great for you, which herbs are really great for you, and just overall what body parts and types of illnesses you could possibly be prone to based on your body type. And this is based on an Ayurvedic approach. So now let's begin our meditation exercise. So we're going to place our hand over our heart, and what I want you to do is either close your eyes or sit by a window or go outside if you can, if you have a private balcony or backyard, and just close your eyes and think of some place really special, really peaceful to you. And we're going to breathe in through our nose and out our mouth. And if you can, either repeat these in your head or listen to them as I say them. And so I'm just going to take a few deep breaths right now. I am connected to my higher purpose. I am letting go of fear of not knowing. My thoughts are being received from the universe and will guide me to the best choices for me. I allow myself to feel good. I allow myself to be healthy. I allow myself to be calm. I allow my body to heal. I am healthy. I can be free of negative thoughts. I believe in a higher universe, and I know I am safe. And I'm just going to take a few deep breaths here. And if you'd like, you can just open your arms, take a deep breath, and recenter. And know you are realigning your body and your mind for healing. Don't forget to subscribe below so you could hear some more meditations throughout the next few days, and helping with chronic illness, autoimmune disease, or just realigning your mind and body for health. Thanks for watching. Bye.